Hey Pixels! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cut out or isolate objects in a photo using the latest features in Adobe Photoshop. With your photo open in Photoshop, we're going to grab the Object Selection tool in the toolbar. In this photo, I want to isolate the fruits on the plate, so I'm going to drag the tool so that it frames all the fruits. To select multiple objects, simply hold down Shift while framing the object. Now that all objects have been selected, I'm going to choose Select and Mask in the Options bar to open up the Select and Mask workspace. Now I can further clean up my selection using the Brush tool. If I want to remove areas from my selection, I'll simply press Option on my Mac keyboard. Now I'm satisfied with my selection. In Output settings, I'm going to choose Output New Layer with Layer Mask. Voila! We now have our isolated objects that we can use for future creative projects. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new and hit that subscribe button for more great videos on design, code, and tech. I'll see you in the next video.